In this video, I'll show you how to create an empty AC manifest with BorderConnect. Once you're logged in using the main menu, hover over the AC Manifest menu option at the top and select Start New AC Manifest. We'll begin by entering the trip details, starting with a unique trip number that starts with your company's SCAC code. Next, we'll enter the U.S. port of arrival. And if you see a magnifying glass icon, that means BorderConnect will automatically look up the information for you. Ports can be assigned by entering the port code, the name of the U.S. port, or even the opposite Canadian port. Now enter your estimated arrival date and time. If you're crossing tomorrow, just select tomorrow, and then the time below. Here, trucks, trailers, and drivers can be quickly assigned. Trucks and trailers by entering the unit number or the plate number, and drivers by entering the first few characters of the name of the driver. Notice that BorderConnect stores everything for easy reuse and fast lookup. Adding a new driver. Do it on the fly by clicking Add Driver. Just enter the driver information and click Save. It's now assigned to the manifest. We've now finished adding the trip information, so we'll go back to the manifest details page and review it before we send it to CBP. So scroll down to the bottom of the page and hover over Save and Start New Shipment. It's important to note that if we did have a shipment, you would select Save and Start New Shipment. But since this manifest is empty, just click Save and View Trip Details, where you'll be brought to the eManifest details page. To learn how to create an AC manifest with a PAP shipment, click the link at the top of the video now for a step-by-step tutorial. Now that you're on the eManifest details page, you can see all the information you entered for the eManifest at a glance as you scroll down the page. If any additional information needs to be added or changed, you can do it here. For example, I'll add a seal to the trailer here. It's also important to note that if your driver doesn't have a FastCard ID in their driver profile, a U.S. destination address is required. To enter an address the driver will be going to in the U.S., just click the destination address field above the driver and enter the address. If this address hasn't been used before in BorderConnect, click Add Consignee, add the full destination address details, and then click Save, and you'll see that the validation warning has disappeared. We're now ready to get our eManifest on file with CBP. So, from the top of your eManifest, click Sync with CBP, where your manifest status will change to 2 yellow bars, Transmitted. And after approximately 1 to 2 minutes, CBP should accept your eManifest, and the status will then change to 3 blue bars, Complete Manifest on file with CBP. When the driver arrives at the border, the status will then move to 5 dark green bars, Truck arrived at border. And when the officer releases them, it will change to 6 green bars, Truck released at border. Congratulations! You've successfully completed an empty AC manifest using BorderConnect. This type of manifest is usually completed within about a minute or two, and if you ever need help, please reach out to our friendly support team via chat, phone, or email. BorderConnect also provides an industry-leading ACI eManifest solution for crossing into Canada. To learn how to make an ACI eManifest, click the link at the top of the video now.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you'd like to watch more videos like this, check out these videos here or subscribe below. If you're not already signed up to BorderConnect, you can sign up today for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.